What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna work again on the Nissan B14. Like you guys heard, today we're gonna work with the B14, and as you guys know, we crashed this car. Well, like I crashed this car about 2 months ago, and since then I haven't touched it. So what we're gonna do today, we're going to attempt to change the struts. So when I got this car, it came with a spare set, and the video before this one, I actually inspect the tie rods and the control arms, and I didn't find nothing. So my guess, it could be that a strut or a shock could be bent. I don't know how true this could be, but I mean, I don't lose nothing to try. Since I have this one, I didn't have to buy this one, so why not? So let's get the car up right now. Boom. So just like that, the car is on jack stands already, and I don't know if you guys have done it before, but this thing is very simple. What we have to do is actually remove these two bolts over here. It will be this one and this one right here, and then after that we're going to remove the C-clip from this brake line, and then after that we have the 3-bolt on the strut. I forgot the name, whatever. So yeah, it shouldn't be very easy. I don't think should be anything else attached. Actually it is. This one have to come out. If I'm not mistaken, that probably should be a 10mm, and then after that we can actually remove the whole strut and put the new one in. So let's go. Alright, so successfully I got the first strut out. This one looks kind of okay. My guess might be that the other one might be bent, but who knows if it is. So again, the top hat, it has 3 nuts, and these guys were 12mm. Then here I have 2 bolts holding the strut, the shock to the knuckle, and these 2 were 17mm. Here I have the clip, which mine was missing, and then I had 1 10mm right there, and at the end, by surprise, I found another one 10mm actually right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side right now. Boom, and just like that, this one is out. I have the struts right here, and as you guys can see, they look a little bit up. I was looking to see if they were bent, but honestly I can tell. So what I'm gonna do, just ask God for a little bit of help and hope that the new struts, which they are here, and hope that this fix my toe issue. So let's go. Just like that, this side is done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera and drop the car.
A few moments later.
So the car is back on the ground and it's been warming up a little bit. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and go around the block to test it out. So let's go. Alright, so the car's been having idle search, so I don't know. The car's a little too low in the back, so hopefully it doesn't scrape. Smoother in the front with the new shocks. I mean, new to me. Yeah, it's dark, but the car is parked now, so that's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The B14 now has new shocks in the front, new to me. The new shock in the front didn't fit the issue with the alignment, so I'm guessing that probably the steering rack may get damaged, but I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you on the next one. God bless you all.